like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hi friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel TV Club. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to make lavender paper flowers. So let's get started. First we will take a piece of a chart paper, fold it into a half like this way. Take a scale and a pencil and marked on 1 centimeter from both the sides like this way. And join the points. And draw the straight line like this way. Line has been drawn, it will look like this way. Now let's cut it. We have to cut till this line only. Like this way. Be careful while cutting. It has been cut. It will look like this way. Now let's take a pencil and start rolling from the end like this way. Like this way. Do same way. This all are rolled. Now let's keep it aside. Now take a piece of green paper and a pencil and start rolling it like this way. Now take gum and stick it like this way. Now let's keep it aside. Now take one more piece of a green paper and fold it like this way, and we will draw a leaf. One more leaf. And let's cut it. So here we have got 4 leaves. Now let's assemble all the things. Now take all the things, gum and scissor. Now let's trim the edge like this way. Now take this and start rolling it like this way. First we will stick it here. And start rolling it. And stick the end. And let's take the leaf. First take scissor and do like this way with all the leaves. And stick it. Press it little bit. The flower is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.